Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And today I have for you the review of this Syska car trimmer. And yeah, this is trimmer from Syska and it cost rupees, it cost actually in its full glory, it actually cost I believe 750, 780, 700 something rupees. 799. It's for almost 800 rupees, right? And yeah, if you want to know how it works, let's get into the video. Let's go. So this is for 800 rupees. I got it for 550. It was on off on Nykaa. I believe you can get it on off for about 550 rupees. And this is how it looks, right? I will show you the packaging, what are the insides, everything. It has a sort of a manual thing, you know, which has the detail of how to use this trimmer. It has a warranty card, you know, all the information, how to start and, you know, clean and everything. Then here is the box and it has this cap. It has the trimmer itself. It has this cap to cover it. And it has, I think this is, I don't know, it is, I believe this is the hair comb for, you know, longer hair if you want to trim them. Yeah, it I think works for that. This has long and short written on it. You can't see it, but I can. This is the longer side, this is the shorter side. So I think it is for, you know, longer hair. Now I was trying it on my legs, on the area that had a little bit more longer hair. Now I don't go for waxing. The last time I did waxing was in 2019. Ever since then I haven't waxed myself. I always shave. Like I think shave has to be my go-to way to remove hair. Like I'm very comfortable with shaving and that is how it works. I go with the razors, the usual razors, use and throw wale razors jo hote hain, Gillette wale. That is what I used for, you know, shaving my body hair. And for the facial hair I go with the razors, you know, wo jo tinkle ke razor aate hain for eyebrows and everything. I used to do that. Now I have used it for like 2 or 3 times already and I have a tutorial, full-blown tutorial, and show you how it works. So it has a longer side, right? This is the longer side, this is the shorter side. This longer side is for your whole body, your face, everywhere. The shorter side is basically for this particular portion, and I think the shorter side has to be a handy one for those people who do not have enough space. You know, if you think you have less space over here, you have less space, तो जहाँ भी कम जगह है उसके लिए छोटी साइड है, जहाँ भी अच्छी जगह है वहाँ पर लंबे वाले को यूज़ कर लो. It has a cap, right? Now there's another thing. They said there is a brush to clean the hair inside the blades, but there was no brush with this box. So I'm not sure if that is an error in the packaging or there was no brush. I don't know. I still don't know that. Maybe there was, maybe there wasn't. So if you get one, be happy. If you don't, then maybe wo hai nahi, right? And yeah. So let me take you towards the hair removal. Now it says you have to use it on the dry skin. You know, मैं usually जब razor से करती थी अपना hair removing and everything, I used to layer it with aloe vera gel because let's be honest, my skin is very sensitive when it comes to hair removing. Facial skin I'm talking about, it's very sensitive when it comes to hair removing. Bleach makes my skin, you know, pimple होते हैं छोटे छोटे से, you know, वो होने शुरू जाते हैं. So I don't, bleach doesn't suit me. Right, when I got my upper lips waxed, my skin burnt. It was a bad experience. It was such a bad experience. So that is not happening. I don't do that. And threading, again, threading causes a lot of redness and irritation on my skin. My skin is very sensitive to all of these things. So shaving is the only thing I could have done, since I do have a lot of facial hair. Like you look at my hair, right? I do have a lot of hair everywhere, on my arms, on my legs, everywhere, on my head, on my face, everywhere. God bless me in the hair department, let's be honest about that. Like my hair grows like this. Even this hair, it grows literally like this. I got a haircut in December and look at my hair, it's already long. And that is how it is. So yeah, it's a boon, it's a bane. It is both of them. So yeah, a hairy girl has to do something, right? So I started using the razors. Now as they say, you know, once you start shaving your hair, you are going to have the manly dadi. Now let's be honest, look at me, look at my face. Do you see any manly dadi? Do you see the 5 AM shadow anywhere? Do I look like a man? Of course I don't, and that is just a myth, that is a misconception. Or ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. I have been shaving for 3 glorious years and nothing has happened to me. You have seen me, even if you have seen me up close and personal, you will know that ऐसा नहीं होता. So yeah, shaving doesn't do anything to you. So let's read what this box says. It says painless hair removal, and yeah, it is painless hair removal, I'll tell you that already. Pivoting trimming head, I think it is more like a flexible head. Yeah, see, it is a little flexible. Oh, see it's flexible. So yeah, that is good. So it can actually go in all the nooks and crannies. Basically this you can use on your arms, your legs, you can use it on your bikini area, you can use it on your face, you can use it all over your body. For that reason this has to be like a little bit flexible, so it is flexible. Okay, it is removable, washable head, so you can wash it under running tap water. It is battery operated. I haven't shown you that, I'll show you. It has this one battery inside. This battery was available with this thing, with the trimmer itself. So yeah, one battery was already with it. The third thing is, the last thing is protection cap. There is this cap available, and dual precision blades. That is what it is. And it has LED light for on and off, right? It can work on eyebrows, it can work on your facial hair, and it does precise shaving and everything. I really like it already, right? So I'll show you how it works. Just taking like a clean face, you know, that has no wetness, oiliness to it, just a clean dry face, and I'm just going to remove all the hair. You can't see, but I can see hair flying everywhere, which means it is taking off hair. Now let's try on the arm as well. Although I do not have a lot of growth on my arm, but there are like a little bit of, oh, it did. Okay, let's do the eyebrows as well. Okay, so this has started to heat now. Let's give it a break. And this is my face fully without hair. Yeah, I think it did a decent job. Like, I think using like a regular razor actually makes my skin very irritated. This did not irritate my skin, which is a good thing. Now here is this thing, right? And you can take out your blades. I'll do that very carefully, right? Because the blades will come off. I want to do that really carefully. So just give me a sec. So this portion comes out, the blade portion, and you know, if you want to clean the insides, just blow. That is all you can do. Now it was written inside the manual that there is a brush available to clean this, but honestly there was no brush with it. It did come with a battery, but there was not any brush. So I don't know, like, I don't know if that was an error or what, but yeah, I did not have any brush. So if you want to clean it, I think you can use any brush, any regular brush. Yeah, so I'll clean that, right? So yeah, now you have seen the tutorial. Now let's come to the conclusion. I really like this. Like for 550 rupees, I think getting a trimmer, a full body trimmer for 550 rupees is a good deal, and that from a company called Syska. It's huge. Like it's not even a Chinese company, like koi bhi ani chalta hua Chinese company. No, it's Syska. It's a good company, right? So that is that. I really like it. Like I think it really removes your hair really well. The facial hair really gets removed. The only issue I have is with the eyebrows. I think it does not remove eyebrow hair as a handy razor does. I just feel like थोड़े से वो, how would I say this? जब आपको strawberry legs होती हैं, you know, that is how the eyebrows feel. You know, I can see the hair. जहाँ पे कटता है ना, वहाँ पे मुझे दिखा देता है कि अच्छा यहाँ से मेरा बाल कटा था. So I can see that. So that is not a good thing when it comes to the eyebrows. And for some reason, even if I use both of the sides of the trimmer, that stays, that does not go away. So that is something that I am not a fan of. I'll be 100% honest. But other than that, I am a fan of the trimmer overall. I really loved it. Like I really think that if you want to invest in a good trimmer, because I know the Wheat one is for 2k rupees. Even the Philips one, I think Philips one भी थोड़ा सा Wheat वाले से तो सस्ता ही है. But Wheat one has a lot of attachments to it. But I think this will work as well. So yeah, for any girl that loves to shave, if you are somebody who does that, I would say try this. Yeah, that's it. So please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.